Hi there, students. Recusant. Okay, recusant can either be a noun, a countable noun for a person, or as an adjective. Let's see, somebody who is recusant refuses to obey the people in authority. Okay, so I would consider myself a recusant. I will not obey any order or authority that tells me to do something that I think is wrong. I will obey any authority that I think is right, but nobody can tell me what to do if I think they are wrong. So a recusant, this is somebody who refuses to obey authority. So, well, the teacher considered John as one of the most recusant students he'd ever had. So a recusant is a dissenter, a nonconformist. Yeah, people who refuse to obey the social mores. Yeah. Now, the origin of this one is quite interesting. This word recusant goes back to Henry VIII. And Henry VIII had a problem because the Pope wouldn't give him a divorce. So he said, right, I'm going to become the head of the Church of England, and the UK is no longer a Catholic country. However, there were many Catholics who were not happy about this, and they refused to go to church services of the Church of England. They refused to recognise the Protestant religion. And there were recusant fines. There were fines and penalties for people who refused to go to services, even up to and including execution. And there were recusant laws until the 19th century. I think it was George III who took away these laws. So nowadays we have this word, a recusant is somebody who refuses to submit to authority, somebody who refuses to comply, somebody who doesn't follow the normal established standards of conduct. So I think it's a good thing to be recusant. Yeah, don't be one of the sheep, be a recusant. Think about what people are telling you to do and decide if you want to do it or not. Yeah, I think recusancy is a good thing, because it means you're thinking about what you're doing. Notice this word is quite a formal word. I get the feeling that if you use recusant in a conversation, people are going to either say, what does that mean? Or go charging to Google to look it up and find out the meaning of it. So recusant, recusant, I would give it a 7.5 in formality. I think used in a semi-formal or formal writing. I certainly wouldn't use it informally. You might just use it in a semi-formal conversation. Notice there is also the verb to recuse, and I did make a video about this one. But this one normally refers to is a legal word, meaning to refuse the authority of a court, to refuse a judge, to refuse a member of the jury. Yeah, say I object to this person. Yeah, I don't want this person acting, and I think that's how they use the verb recuse. So there's been a split between the verb and the adjective and the noun. Okay, so to a recusant, somebody who refuses to obey, a dissenter, somebody who's disobedient, somebody who doesn't do what they are told to do. So if you're a member of a political party and you refuse to vote with that party because you think they're wrong, then you are a recusant, somebody who refuses to comply with the orders from superior authority. Okay, as to origin, well, I explained the origin about the Reformation and the split from Rome. It comes itself from Latin recusans, from recuso. I refuse, I decline, I object, I protest. So there you go, recusant. Are you a recusant? I hope so. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Recusant.